Yes.
So you fasting, Dad?
Eh?
You fasting?
That was fun.
Yo! No!
Hey, hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to troubleshoot and try and fix a vauxhall zafira windscreen wash pump. We're going to see if something wrong with the pump or there's something wrong with the line is blocked somewhere along the line. If there is a blockage in the pipe going towards the sprayer, because at the moment it's not spraying any water. So we are going to troubleshoot the problem, see if the pump pressure is too low or but so far the pump sound very healthy. So we're going to detach the pump, and we are going to test the pump and see what's going on with it. At the moment I'm looking at this pump to see if there's any blockage. To be honest, I haven't got a clue what I'm looking for, so bear with me and just travel with me on this journey of troubleshooting and finding the problem. Yes, thanks for watching.
Come here, come all this way. Come all this way.
Lee?
Come all this way. Come here. Shut up. What on there? All the thing on there, please. Push it down on this as well. Then I won't shock you. Come on.
Wait, I didn't think of that. Why am I being passed? Mom, come and hold this.
Alright. Are you watching me testing this now?
I don't, wait. What?
If you shock already, you got shock already. Shut up! Jesus Christ.
Give me my coat, please. You think I should push the ball out properly? I can feel the electric.
Are you recording?
It's just a bit too close. It looks like it's just on my hands.
No,
Oh, that's what
Have
I
you
saw
got Dad's
before.
face and everything?
That's what I saw before. No, you need to get what's going on here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you get that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there you go.
Are you okay? Good. What are you doing? We're good, thanks. Everyone's just helping Dad fix the car.
That's blowing water, isn't it?
No, literally, if you could only see it.
But
But Dad, we're recording, and Dad had the cheek to hand us the wires. You imagine?
It's dangerous, it's just a motor.
Whoa. What?
Oh, Dad washing it out.
Sorry, Mika.
Yes, so I guess you'll agree with me that the pump is in fact in good working condition. It's pulling the water fine, it's spraying. So we need to work out what's going on between the water bottle and the pump. Why is the pump not pulling water from the water bottle? So we're going to remove the front grille of the car so that we can access the water bottle. Remove it from the car, and then see what the problem is. Why the pump is not pulling water from the bottle. tough getting the bottle from the car, but yeah, I've worked it out in the end. So okay, the good news is we got it out, and we can now work out the problem between the bottle and the pump and see what's stopping the pump from pulling the water from the bottle, because that bottle is full of screen wash solution. It's actually a full bottle at the moment, so the bottle, it's got solution in it, but the pump is not pulling the solution from it. So now I'm going to strip some wires to connect the pump directly to the battery. So I'm stripping a piece of wire, and I'm going to connect it 12 volt from the battery directly to the pump, and just to see, have a play around and see what's going on. Okay.
So you want to be an electrician?
No, that, bro.
Huh?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
You want to be an electrician?
No, electrical engineering. That's what the designing and all the little circuit parts and everything.
Oh. You got it wrong then. I'm the impression that you want to...
I remember I was doing the electrician course though.
Okay, right. So what I want you to do... Come here.
Come here, Shilika.
Come here, get all of me. Go up there. She's good at recording. She's very good. I've not checked her work yet. But I got a funny feeling it's going to be really professional. That's what I like about it.
What is called? You call it Shiliki, but it's yes.
So you fasting, Dad?
Eh?
You fasting?
Blood for you.
Yo! No!
Excuse my French. You get that Shiliki?
Yeah, I did. Kind of. That's not what I was doing in the car. Nah, I don't want to stand. Dad, it's okay.
Come here, come here. Hey.
No, Dad.
Right, listen. Listen, man. Come on, you're good, man. Come on, man. She can't jump. Figure of your life.
How's the electric shooting though? Like, is the engine's not on?
The battery. It's on the battery.
What's battery?
Car battery. She runs for life.
Close.
Shiliki show run the time.
Did you not get scared, Dad?
Yeah.
Did you know what was gonna happen?
You know what?
Sure.
Burn off my thing. Chama. It's okay. Did I know what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
No. But guess what? It's on the car battery. If it would explode, I'd run off myself. You know what I mean? But I know it's not gonna explode. Right?
Yeah.
Play around
The
with
camera
both of these.
can't really see because of your hands in the way.
Okay. Well, could you all come over here and hold the thing, man? It's nothing gonna happen. I can't believe this.
Oh, you can see now.
I can't believe this girl run off and listen.
Yeah.
You don't need to hold his head.
Hold on. What after me?
Yeah, change code it.
Trying to shut.
Right. What are you doing? What about you, okay?
It's sparking.
No, man, that's
Oh, you only spark because the T wires touch.
two wires touch each other.
Fire.
Come on.
Right, so we got a spark there. Yeah, so what I'm doing is getting a negative and a positive from the battery, and just to check the motor to see if it works. And yes, so we're happy with that. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do now is remove the motor from the water bottle. Yeah, so I'm going to remove the motor, and guess what?
There's water coming there.
There. No, that's not happened. All that time I've been removing this motor, that has never happened. So now I realize that I start having examination. I realize that there's a filter. So there's a filter between the motor and the water bottle, and that's where the problem was. I looked at it and I realized it's completely blocked up. Completely blocked. It has got small holes and all those holes are completely blocked, clogged up with dirt, obviously from over years of accumulation. Yeah, accumulated dirt and stuff like that. So hey, so I've worked it out. So now I'm gonna give it a good clean. I try and blow. Better if you got a hair gun to blow it out, but you know I haven't got a hair gun, so I'm blowing them out. But be careful, guys, because don't want to drink that stuff out. Let it come anywhere near your mouth. Poisonous, antifreeze, right? You don't want that. So yeah, I give it a knock. See, I'm knocking it, trying to agitate the dirt, trying to get it to put it in some water and yeah, just move it around a bit, trying to agitate it, trying to get it all dissolve away, whatever is blocking up the filter. Yeah. So that's where the problem was all along. Yeah. So now I'm dying to put it back on now and try it out, because I know that's definitely where the problem is. So actually, you can use something pointed as well, like a needle. Get like a sharp needle and just poke the hole off the filter. Just, see if you can remove any dirt. See, there's holes at the side. It's actually holes all around it. And there's hole at the bottom of it as well. So just get a needle and just poke it. That's what I'm doing, poking those holes. And then I'm going to attach the wire back to the motor. I'll put it back in the bottle, attach the wire, and that water should be coming out from the bottle now. That motor should be spitting the water out, definitely. So yes, I was happy with that.
Fantastic. Oh, sugar. Right. So I'll put this on here first. I'm gonna shove this in here.
Criminal.
Actually, you know what? Sorry. I'll shove this in first. Yeah? Shove that in? See? Did you eat inside, did you?
No, I didn't. I need to come round. There you go. I can see now.
Right. Can you see? Yeah, filter, just clean that. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, baby, thank you. Enjoy your walk. Don't get me up. Is that eh? Yeah? I don't know we're going to test.
I want to go Roger's Vino Cutlery.
Right, hey, come on. Hey, where you going? Where am I, Roger? Right, come look now. Come over here this side, please.
Over him, cut over him.
So it's leaking now, which is a good sign. That means
The hole's no longer blocked.
ready? Oh! Jesus!
Whoa, can't leave that
Right, did you get that? What is that? That's poison,
Wait.
Ready?
Yeah.
Don't get me in the camera, you should. Don't get my face in the camera.
Chicken!
I can see.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right, all of it. Yeah? That's it. I got this. Try to get this pipe over here.
So what's happening there now is that I'm filtering the screen wash solution that I emptied from the bottle before. You remember I was pumping that from the bottle. So what I did was actually pour the screen wash solution from the bottle into that bottle. So there was bits in it that would have clogged up that filter that I've just cleaned. So to avoid that happening again, what I did was got one of those dish cloth, you know, those cleaning cloth, and use it as a filter. Really good, actually, very good. I mean, when I finish pouring this, you'll see the dirt residue that's left back, and that would have eventually block the filter back up, and we don't want that. Okay.
Right, guys, so the dirt. So I'll block it up.
That is sick.
Yeah, okay. Right, guys, so. Right, guys, Tian, turn over the engine. This should work. Turn the engine over, please.
Chow, man. Is it chow or sha?
You know all this put that together, yeah? Right, spread it. Oh, a minute. Spread the glass. There we go. Get that. Hey, come on, get in the car and close the door and spread the thing, man.
Oh, in the car?
Get in the car, close the door, and spread the thing.
Yeah, 10 out.
See that?
Yep.
Yeah? Just hold that. Turn right. Turn back, go straight ahead. Okay. You go again?
Oh, I put it there because it was there before.
Oh, you put that again?
I didn't put that one
Oh,
there.
I'm sure you did.
Tell him what you said, Dad.
I'm sure you did.
We don't need the grill no more.
You don't need the grill?
No. We can drive with no grill. This.
Yeah, that one. And the next one. Alright, Tina. Get Tina for me. Nice one. Alright, you care? Yeah? Bam, bam, bam. I don't know where he's coming from. Here.
Middle.
Yeah? Look in your face and walk, huh? That's joking. That's joking.